Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem Safdari. I am a student of IIPS DAVV Indore. Currently, I am pursuing MCA. Currently, I am in third year. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss the third internal paper which was given by Dr. Shaligram Prajapat. This is an MCQ based question paper. So, let's start. So question number 1 says which distance metric is defined as distance a comma b equal to sum of ai minus bi. So the answer is Manhattan. Question number 2. Which SQL function requires unique results from a column? So options are unique, distinct, different and single, and the answer is distinct. In a gradient descent, if learning rate alpha is too high, the model risk. So the answer is C, overshooting the minimum and diverging. Question number 4, feature hashing maps feature to. So the answer is B, indices in a vector or matrix. Fifth, the central limit theorem states that for a large enough sample size, the sampling distribution of the mean will be. So the answer is normal, that is Gaussian. Sixth, big data tool is a NoSQL column oriented database on HDFS. So it is asking which big data tool is a NoSQL column oriented database on HDFS, and the answer is B, HBase. Seventh, which deep learning layer type reduces the dimension of the input, example max or average, and the answer is C, pooling. 8. In logistic regression, we estimate coefficients by. Answer is B, maximizing the likelihood function. Question number 9. The stochastic gradient descent SGD updates parameter using. Option A is the entire data set, B is single random example, C the validation set only, D the Hessian matrix, and the answer is B, a single random example or small batch. Which metric is calculated as TP upon TP plus FP, and the answer is C, precision. 11. In decision trees, a node represent. Answer is option B, a feature comparison test. 12. A lasso regression L1 is particularly useful for. Answer is D, feature selection, forcing coefficients to 0. 13. Which clustering method requires you to specify K beforehand? Answer is C, K-means. 14. Beam allows defining pipelines for. Answer is option C, both batch and stream processing. Question number 15. Bias in bias variance trade-off refers to error from. Answer is option B, incorrect assumptions. Example, assuming linearity. Question number 16. Which Python module provides the counter class? And the answer is option B, collections. Question number 17. SQL inner join returns row. Answer is option C, that have matching values in both tables. Question number 18. Naive Bayes assumes that. The answer is option B, features are independent. Question number 19. Standard deviation is. So the answer is option B, the square root of the variance. Question 20. One versus rest is the strategy used for. Answer is option B, multi-class classification. This was section 1. Section 2 is MCQ with combination, which is from 21 to 25. So question number 21. Which of the following are distance matrix? So the answer is option. So here we have Manhattan, Euclidean, cosine similarity and Jacquard, and we have to select the correct option. So correct option is option D, J, K, L and L, which is Manhattan, Euclidean and cosine similarity. Question number 22. Which of the following are SQL data modification commands? Select, insert into, update, delete. So we need to select the correct option. And the correct option for question number 22 is option C, K, L and M. So insert into, update and delete. Which of the following are ensemble methods? Bagging, boosting, random forest, decision tree. And the correct answer is option C, J, K and L, which is bagging, boosting and random forest. 24. Which of the following are descriptive statistics? Mean, median, mode and variance. So answer is option D, which is all of them. Which of the following are sampling techniques? Inverse transform, Monte Carlo, random sampling, gradient sampling. And the answer is option B, J, K, L and L. So inverse transform, Monte Carlo and random sampling. Now question number 6 is match the column, which is column 1 to column 2. So pig, HB base, Kafka, Spark, and column 2 contains scripting language, no SQL, database, messaging or streaming and processing engine. And the options are given as same as you can see on the screen. And the answer is option A, which is matched with the respective. It is written in the respective manner only. 27 is match the deep learning term with its definition. Neuron, weights, bias and activation, and building block computes output parameters multiplied by input, value of output when input is 0 and function introducing non-linearity. And the answer is option B, that is A, building neuron is building block that computes output. So it is matched with similar only. Weights parameter multiplied by input, bias is value of output when input is 0 and activation function introducing non-linearity. Question number 28. Match the feature engineering column 1 with the method in the column 2. So column 1 consists of scaling, binning, encoding and imputation, and column 2 consists of log transform, z-score, grouping values 1 to 10 which is greater than A, 1 hot ordinal, mean, fill, nearest neighbor. And the correct answer is A, which is matched with the respective values only. Now question number 29. Match the SQL clause with its effect. Scaling, binning, encoding, imputation, log transform, z-score, 1 hot ordinal, mean, fill, nearest neighbor. And the answer is B, which is matched with the respective terms only. Now assertion and reason. Recall is TP upon TP plus Fn, and precision is TP upon TP plus Fp. And the answer is option B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 31. Random forest reduce variance compared to single decision tree, and reason they aggregate multiple uncorrelated trees. And the answer is option A, which is both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. 32. Regression forces coefficients to 0. Reason it uses L2 regularization. So the answer is D. A is false but R is true. 33. Assertion. K means guarantees the global optimum. And reason it is a convex optimization problem. So the answer is option number D. A is false but R is true. 34. Arrange SQL order from select where. So the answer is, for the 34, answer is B, where select where from. Now question number 35. Arrange k-fold cross validation. So split into k groups, average results, train, validate, loop, and options are A, B, C, D given as follows. So the answer of 35 is A, which is split into k groups, average result, split into k groups, train or validate through loop, and then average result. Then question number 36. Arrange data pipeline, cleaning, analysis, acquisition. And the answer is option A, which is acquisition, cleaning, and then analysis. Question number 37. Arrange decisions tree split. Compare results, true fault results, branch to child. And answer is for question number 37 is A, which is J, K, and L. So compare features, then true or false result, and branch to child. Then question number 38. Arrange, map, reduce, partition, map, reduce, and the answer is A, partition, map, and reduce, means it is given in the same order. Question number 39. Arrange deep learning, define network, train, evaluate. So the answer for question number 39 is A, J, K, L, means define network, train, and then evaluate. Question number 40. Arrange gradient descent, compute gradient, update params, check convergence. And the answer is again A, J, K, and L. So compute gradient, update params, and check convergence. So this was the explanation of third internal paper, which was of the batch, Aryabhatta batch. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching.